Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm gonna make Jamaican sweet potato pudding. So if you want to see us make Jamaican sweet potato pudding, or if you don't know how to make Jamaican sweet potato pudding, please stick around and watch this video to see the finished product and how we make it. So please stay tuned. For our ingredients, I'm gonna use 3 pounds of sweet potato. You need this kind. You don't need yams or the yellow potato. You need sweet potato, the one with the red skin, Jamaican type. You need some brown sugar, yellow yam, cocoa, melted butter, flour, white sugar, granulated sugar, 5 cups of coconut milk, cinnamon powder, nutmeg, vanilla, almond spice, and salt. So that is what I'm going to use. You don't need no baking powder, you don't need no egg. We're going to use that to make the sweet potato pudding. First, I'm going to start by cutting up the sweet potato. I'm not going to grate it today. You can go ahead and grate yours, but I really don't got time to do that. It is way easier, and when you make it like this, it's way smoother and nice. When you grate it, it kind of have some the strings from the potato. So if you want to grate it, that's fine, but I'm going to use a blender. So while I'm cutting up these now into small pieces to blend them, and I'm going to blend this with the coconut juice. I'm going to spice up the coconut juice and blend these. So I'm just cutting up these just to blend them. Reason being for you to not use the other potatoes, they are very watery when you bake them into pudding. These are much more firm and give a better hold to bake a pudding. And as I said before, this is 3 pounds of sweet potato, and I'm using about 1 pound of yellow yam and 1/2 pound of cocoa. You can just use yellow yam straight, or you can just use cocoa straight, but I'm using 2 of them. I'm going to use the 2 of them. Turn up the cocoa now. And the yam and the cocoa is what gonna give the sweet potato. The yam and the cocoa is like a binding agent. This is just like how you would use egg to let everything come together. You use this to make the pudding have a nice hold. This and the yam is very good, especially yellow yam. Okay, so now I'm gonna go ahead and season or spice up the coconut milk to blend the yam and the sweet potato. Now I'm gonna spice up the milk. I'm gonna add around 4 tablespoons of vanilla, and 4 tablespoons of almond concentrate. You want this to be very spicy and nice. That's when you're baking this, people can smell it from a mile away. Now you're gonna add some granulated sugar, and you want to taste as you go. That is 1 cup of granulated sugar. Now I'm gonna add some brown sugar, 1/2 cup of brown sugar. And this is really up to your liking. If you're on the sweeter side, or if you're in the middle, you don't want it to be that sweet. So you can go ahead and taste it. And now I'm gonna add a pinch of salt to it, or 1 teaspoon. So I'm gonna taste this now. I'm gonna add all of the sugar, which is ½ cup. I'm gonna add some more vanilla. I'll leave the measurement down in the description so you can go and check that out. Now this is tasting good. And I'm gonna use the coconut milk. I'm gonna use this to blend the sweet potato. So now I'm gonna blend it. And I'm gonna repeat the process till all the potatoes are blended and the yam and the cocoa. I'm finished blending everything. Now I'm gonna spice up the potato. I'm gonna put some flavor to it. And see how smooth this is? No stringy. No, just smooth and nice. I'm gonna add the ½ cup of melted butter. I'm gonna add 2 tablespoons of cinnamon powder. And if you have mixed spice, add mixed spice, but I don't have any, so I'm using cinnamon and nutmeg. I'm gonna use 4 tablespoons of nutmeg. You can add more or you can use less if you want. I'm gonna add some more almond spice to it, and really this all depends on your liking, and you want the pudding to be flavorful and taste good, so don't be afraid to add your spices to it. And what I'm doing, I'm just combining everything together. Adding 1/4 cup of flour. And you can also go ahead and use an unmixer to make the work easier for you. You can go ahead and make an unmixer. I hope I've explained this well for you guys to know how to make a sweet potato pudding. Hope you learned something from this video. And if you reached this far into the video, please subscribe if you aren't already subscribed, like, share, and leave a comment down below. Please leave a comment down below, guys. So you want to mix out all the flour and mixing everything together. And I'm gonna add the other portion of the flour. Okay. And pudding is very dense. You don't need any baking soda in it. You don't need nothing to rise. It's not gonna rise. It's a very dense cake, so you don't need a pudding, not cake. So you don't need to add any raising agent to it. So everything is nice and combined now. I'm gonna grease my baking tin and add the mixture. I already preheat the oven to 375 degrees. And this is the consistency. I'm gonna add it to the baking tin. It smells so good. Can you imagine when this is baked into the oven? You're gonna want to put it on the top shelf because hot here, right? And you're gonna want to bake this for an hour and a half the least, or just watch it until you want to bake it until you insert a toothpick or a knife and you see nothing come on it. Here you have it, guys, our finished product with a tall glass of sorrel drink for you to digest with this delicious pudding, Jamaican sweet pudding. Hope you have enjoyed watching this video. This is our finished product. Look at this beautiful, smells so delicious. I didn't want to cut it hot because when you cut it hot, it don't come out all like this. It's gonna be so soft. So I'll wait till it cool and cut it for you guys to see what it look like. And there you have it, our finished product. Hope you enjoy watching this video. Like, share, leave a comment down below, and subscribe if you aren't already subscribed.
Subscribe.
And now we're gonna do a taste test.
It's like a cake.
Yeah, but it's a Jamaican pudding. I'm gonna taste it first, or you wanna taste it first?
I want to taste it first with my hand on.
Okay.
Yummy. Yum!
No, I'm gonna taste it first. No, I'm gonna give them peace too, as I know their mouth must be watering over there. Fine. Look at that. Look at that.
I can taste it, Charlie.
Want to taste it, too?
Yum.
Delicious. So gummy and nice. You know what I'm talking about. If you're a Jamaican or you have a lot of experience eating pudding. This is so gummy.
You're coming through.
And so nice. This is so tight. So now we're gonna taste. We're gonna drink.
No.
You give me a thumbs up. So now we're gonna taste the sorrel drink.
You taste it. Okay.
You want some?
It's fine.
Bye guys.
Bye guys.